Hi everyone, I hope we are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today we're going to be talking about you doing SATS wrong and how to change that. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel I talk about all things law of assumption, so if that sounds good to you, I would absolutely love to have you here. I'm so excited to have a little bit of a chat with you today. Before we do, you are more than welcome to enroll in any of my courses, my Manifest Your SP course, my Perfect Self-Concept course, and my Game of Alignment course. All of those courses are on Kaminski.com. They are also linked in the description box down below and included in the pinned comments. If you are not sure which course to choose, I would highly recommend the Perfect Self-Concept course, simply because it targets everything, and once you have a perfect self-concept, you will know that you are deserving of the best life ever. It's not just about you knowing that you're deserving of experiences. You will know that you're deserving of money, of the best relationships, the best of everything. So if you are interested, again, go on Kaminski.com or click the link directly linking to the Perfect Self-Concept, and it's also in the pinned comments down below. Finally, I manifest that this video changes your life for the absolute best, and with that, let's get into it. Alright, so I have been trying SATS a number of ways, from visualizing a scene that's 30 seconds long to just visualizing an image. What matters is this one thing. It's about transferring that technique from consciousness to drowsiness to unconsciousness. So it has to be the very last thing that you think about before you are fully wiped out. It's not just 8 hours of saturation. It's 8 hours of saturation with your subconscious mind being wide open like a freaking sponge, taking all of that in. That's why we say that when you do SATS, the results should come by the next morning, or at least you will begin seeing the results straight away. When I manifested my 100,000 subscribers, yes, I didn't get 100,000 subscribers the next morning, but I started beginning to see more comments than usual. The algorithm picked it up instantly. There's no stopping that train once you do this just one night. There's just no stopping it, even if you stop doing SATS. And it unfolded fully in 6 weeks. So I've done SATS where I have transferred the image successfully from consciousness, meaning you are fully awake, to drowsiness, self-explanatory, to fully unconsciousness where you are fully knocked out and sleeping. Even if it's light sleep, that's okay. Versus I have done the same thing, but my mind starts to wander, and it's not the very last thing that I thought about when falling asleep, falling into unconsciousness. And I'm telling you that there is a big difference. My thing did not manifest when it wasn't the very last thing that I thought about before going to sleep. So I know what all of you are thinking. Rita, how do you know when it's the very last thing that you think? Yes, I know, I'm psychic. So the way that you know, you simply don't. I don't recommend for you to overthink this when you are manifesting and doing SATS. Your job is to just think about that thing, hold that image for as long as you possibly humanly can, until you cannot any longer. Your only job is not to think about whether you've carried it from consciousness to unconsciousness. Your job is to stay diligent on bringing the image back to that of which you are manifesting. So my only job, no matter if I'm exhausted from the day, no matter if I have a million things rushing around in my mind, no matter if I'm thinking that I need to fall asleep, so let me not do SATS tonight because it's going to keep me up for longer because I'm not relaxing my brain. Regardless of any of that, my job is to hold that image of my channel name, the profile picture that I currently have with my sunflowers, and the 1 million subscriber image. That is my only job, because that's what I chose to transfer from consciousness to unconsciousness. Doesn't matter if it's an image, affirmation, subliminal, whatever. It's about transferring it. My only job is to keep bringing it back. I'm thinking about, I can't wait to wake up and have breakfast tomorrow. I'm bringing it back to that image in my mind. My mind starts to wonder about something that happened during the day. No, doesn't matter right now. My job is to concentrate, just bring it back. No matter what it is that I'm thinking or feeling, the only job that I have when I go to sleep is transferring that image from consciousness to unconsciousness. And whenever I falter, whenever I get distracted, whenever I begin thinking about anything else, it's just like meditation. It's lovingly and compassionately, neutrally and professionally, without overthinking it, just bringing it back in your mind, bringing it back and bringing it back and bringing it back. And I promise you, when you do this just once, that one night right before falling asleep, you will begin seeing the results of your manifestations coming to fruition the following morning, if not the full manifestation coming to light. I want you to try this tonight. This is my request to you. Let me know how it goes in the comments down below. I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. Again, don't forget to check out my Manifest Your SP course, the Perfect Self-Concept course, and the Game of Alignment course, all on ritakaminski.com or in the description box down below or in the pinned comments. And I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.